6 hores de cotxe.
I 43 graus, quarts de 2 del migdia, estem fent l'apro.
Can't seem to focus, it's hopeless unless the sky opens. Look you in the eyes and all I see is a blur. Hoping that my previous mind state could be resurrected to the old me. It's like you had me injected with imperfection. How could you be so reckless? I initially meant it. Seems like you put your effort into me. What am I left with? Nothing but a canvas with a black and white portrait of me and you in a burning garden of scorching orchids. Simple beauty that's being torn down by your power. They constantly pounds on my soul hour after hour. Now I could hardly breathe. Get rid of these memories continually haunting me. Can't change who I've come to be. The darkness only ends as soon as you open your eyes and you hope to realize that hope is cloaked in disguise. Again I look you in the eyes and all I see is a blur. But when I look in the mirror I can see who you were.
Oh yeah.
Nothing I can say or do will take away what I
La Làlia dintre la panxa del bou.
Ara el Quim ja no riu. Bueno.
Aquí estamos.
D'aquí hem de baixar després.
What you were is what I've come to be. The sky opens wide to swallow me.
Estem gairebé dalt del cim. El clima desèrtic els està afectant les neurones.
Hòstia, com corria per aquí? Tira.
Till I can hardly breathe.
A veure, Quim, la factura? Guai, ho has entès tot, no? Guai.
Monté que no pot canviar la marxa.
Bon dia.
Bon dia a tots.
Tornada cap a Barcelona.
Ja hem esmorzat.
Hem trucat al Telepizza.
Són les 7 del matí i ens anem a buscar l'avió si és que surt. Apa, adeu!